Samsung refrigerator model RF20A5101WW-AA error codes. 33 wide smart 3-door French door refrigerator is beautifully designed with a modern look that blends seamlessly into your kitchen. Error codes. Code 1E, 5E, SE. Problem: power outage. The refrigerator will not dispense ice or water until it is fixed. FIX. Press amp. Hold energy saver button amp. Lightning button simultaneously for 15 seconds. Code 88, 83E, 85E, 86E. Problem: power loss. Each can be displayed if the power goes out or flashes off. FIX. Unplug the refrigerator. Wait at least 60 seconds. Replug. Code: flashing of OF. Problem: cooling off mode. Often caused by a door left ajar. FIX. Close the door. Wait for the refrigerator to cool down. Code: PC error. Problem: door and main unit disconnection. FIX. Make sure there is nothing preventing the door from sealing. Wipe off any dust or debris from the top of the door. Code 26E. Problem: bad water valve or ice maker. FIX. Replace the water valve lower rear of unit. Make sure the ice maker is turned on, thaw any fill tube blockages, and verify the temperature is below 8 degrees F. Code 24E, 40E. Problem: freezer defrost malfunction. FIX. Thaw frost buildup. Remove freezer contents and back inner wall of freezer. Use a hairdryer to melt any ice frost. Reassemble wall. Press and hold upper right and left buttons simultaneously to reset. Code 25E. Problem: faulty refrigerator defrost. FIX. Verify that the defrost timer and control board are functioning properly. Replace them if not. Code 23E. Problem: condenser fan issue. FIX. Make sure the refrigerator condenser fan is receiving power. Supply power if not. Replace the fan if power is not the issue.